Yeah, the weather's not so great today, so I decided to do some inside stuff and I had some other sewing things going on. And I thought it would be a good opportunity to replace my old lunch bag. I've had this thing for like 10 years. I like the design, but it's just falling apart, and I can't see spending a bunch of money for something I can make here at the house. Here's the dimensions for the bag. It's 6 inches by 9 inches by 8 inches. I've got some fabric I'm going to use for this. This is a kind of a cool fabric. It's got a lot of blues. It sort of looks denim-y. For the handle, I bought some 1 1/4 inch webbing. Okay, so my lunch bag is done. Here it is. You see it's got a really fancy daisies lining the inside of it. It's sort of a lining I don't think will get too dirty. I can put all the food I need to take with me. I put a pocket on the front so I can keep extra batteries, maybe some headphones. Pockets on the side, I've got like a thermos that fits into that one, and I can throw a pair of gloves in here with this. If I want to, I can put some Velcro on it to hold this down, but I'm not really worried about it. It's mostly just to keep crud from falling in it. I embroidered a Seahawks logo onto the pocket because, hey, why not, you know? There you go. If you want to build yourself a spectacular looking lunch bag, just like I did, that's how you do it.